Hi guys, it's Ray. It is Butterfly Lane Designs subscription box time. This is the July 2024 box. So let's get into her and see what we got. Oops. Okay, right off the bat, I love it. How flipping cute. Retro. Okay. Oh, lost a piece. So this is going to be a UV DTF. It's going to have a backer and a front in the image. Decals. Who doesn't want a Pac-Man on a Prism holographic? I mean, come on, seriously? So this will be a 20-ounce wrap. How cute. And then we have some vintage print vinyl. Trolls and games and Converse and cassette tapes and Tamagotchis. How cute. And we have our checks. And some paint splotches. And some ring pops, cootie catchers, lip smackers, more Tamagotchis, cassette tapes, Game Boys, fruit by the foot. Oh, you gotta love it. And a very, very Lisa Frank pattern. How freaking cute. The dolphins were always my favorite. And a leopard print. And an I love the 90s. So, trolls and Furbies and Tamagotchis and what was the robot dog's name? I cannot remember. But how cute is that? And then just a pretty simple striped pattern to maybe break up some of the others. So, this is fun. I'm going to kind of spread them out. I love the bright and vibrant. And let's look at the decals. So obviously this one is made to go with this or this. The 80s made me, but the 90s raised me. The 70s made me, but the 80s raised me, but some of this crosses over. 80s baby, in my 80s era, and I love the 90s. So these are super fun. Not sure what direction we're going to head in yet, but absolutely love all of these. So that is our sub box for July 2024. I think I might just do this and leave it as a very simple wrap, not add anything extra to it. And then we'll pair up some of these with this. And this you could either mix with some of this, or you could do it as a separate wrap, like on a glass can. So, choice is yours. Slap bracelet. Gotta love it. But at any rate, this is kind of a mesh between 80s and 90s stuff. So you can kind of go either direction with it. because like I said, I was born in the 70s and very much raised in the 80s, and we definitely had a ton of Lisa Franks starting up and stickers and stuff. But I remember Furbies when my son was little, so crossover, wide variety here. I like it. I like it a lot. So, and I always love any of the leopard print stuff. So, that is it. And we will definitely get working with some of these very, very soon.